The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch.
Dance Muta the hell our rate for man. We not disrespect Muta, that one thing we know. But Muta the pan radar say, like for dropping on me head. When me a perform.
And a DC
yes. Me a rap and call himself a Rasta. Come on Muta. Remember be a white girl, you Muta. You there would be a white girl. Fantan Muta was a real Rasta youth in Jamaica. And them know. Yeah, we don't eat. We clean. And we love people. So you do, long are you?
Here for here, Muta now, our talk. Why Fanta Moja don't just go in a hotel with them girlie and do him thing and make sure them do have a smart phone.
Remember Muta come on radio, come talk, say Muta locked down with Cindy Breakspear, you know. And Bob Marley, if you put them kick off, you do and say, freak boy. Give him a blood clot, girl.
Yes, sister.
And I knew the man say him locked down and just, them nude. And him talk on radio, say him just nude. So when you nude, you're naked. Nude is naked. So you try to tell him some Muta, be able to sell, man. No for no Rasta we are talking, we have some fucking bulkhead to you know. Fucking, we don't know Rasta not dread. Yeah, it's a bad man Rasta. And the boy that will be a plan to rush me. Remember me gang big.
Alright viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now in this video, I'm presenting to you videos that are being talked about on social media. I'm presenting these videos to you because these videos are being talked about on social media. I'm also presenting these videos to you so that you can take a look at these videos and you can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in these videos as well, alright? Now, I'm telling you from right now that I do not have any confirmed information as to exactly when these videos have been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the world these videos have been recorded. But however, I'm presenting these videos to you because you don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on, alright? Now, I just presented to you a video that shows a Jamaican musician who goes by the name of Fantan Moja talking about a radio talk show host who goes by the name of Muta Baruka. You see? Now, according to some things that Fantan Moja said, I got the understanding that he disagreed with some of the things that Muta Baruka said about him. Alright? Viewers and subscribers, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that Fantan Moja said. You see me? And with that, I'm going to leave it right there. Yes, I'm going to leave it right there and I'm going to move on to another video. You see? The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show two persons arguing with each other. You know, in my point of view, these two persons said some somewhat inappropriate things to each other. Alright, now viewers and subscribers, I want you to take a look at this video and tell me if you think these persons were actually joking with each other or if they were not joking with each other. Alright. Alright, now some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright, now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
That's if you would start get used because you use up your sink last night and you couldn't even do nothing. Me want a teacher you could make give me a mistake still me now call. The way you want me to do it. Anyway, me feel like get the enjoyment, me get it. Me take it. Anyway, the love look that time there.
Viewers and subscribers, some of the things that I saw and heard in that video, in my point of view, I call it man and woman argument. You see me? But however, you know, you can let me know what you think about some of the things that have been said and shown in that video. You can let me know if you think these persons were actually joking with each other or if they were not joking with each other. You can let me know what you think. The next video I'm going to present to you. According to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that this video shows when guns were being displayed at a music video shoot. You see? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Brand new thing. Brand new. When the new from by the dam. Hard. The news out.
I'm coming out, you want your fucking plane.
Food stepper. I want to point get letter off, pants and shoes and shirt ripper. Tear down and foot.
Alright, so there you have it, viewers and subscribers. A video that shows guns. Yeah, guns. And the persons in the video as well, alright? Alright, you can let me know what you think about that video. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is going to show a person riding a one-wheel vehicle. You see me? Yeah, viewers and subscribers, do you know the name of the thing that the person was riding in the video that I'm about to present to you? You see me? Yeah, you can let me know as well. And some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Viewers and subscribers, on a real, I respect how the person wear a helmet, you see? Yeah, I respect how the person wear a helmet because that thing is moving somewhat fast. You see what I said to you? Alright, let me know what you think about the video that I just presented to you, and with that I'm going to move on to another video. Now, the next video I'm going to present to you, this video is out on social media where it is said that the video shows what happened when a person who is said to be a motorist was pulled over by a police. You see me? Now, I do not have any confirmed information as to when this video had been recorded or exactly where in the world this video had been recorded. But however, this video has been talked about on social media, alright? Some of the comments that had been made on social media about this video gave me the understanding that some persons are saying that the motorist was trying to escape the police. You see me? Now, I'm going to present the video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself and you can also let me know what you think, alright? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised, alright? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Yeah.
Viewers and subscribers, I would like to encourage each and everyone out there that they should comply with the police. No matter where you are in the world, comply with the police. You see what I'm saying to you? If something is wrong with your papers or the documents for your vehicle, or if your driver's license or your driving permit is expired, you see me? Do not try to escape the police. You see what I'm saying to you? I mean, there are penalties for certain things not being up to date when it comes down to driving on the road, but however, trying to escape the police might put you into more trouble or more problem than the trouble or the problem that you might find yourself in. That is if something is wrong with the paperwork or so forth. I hope you understand what I'm saying. Is it me I said to you? So, you know, if something is wrong with the paperwork or the documents for your vehicle, or if your driver's license is expired or your driving permit is expired or what, you see me? Just face the penalty. You see me? Driving away and trying to escape the police is not a good thing to do. That's more trouble for you. You see me? So I just give you the best advice that I think is the best advice. You understand? But you can let me know what you think about this video that I just presented to you, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Yeah, and you know, more as a big up and respect to each and everyone. You know, me Dancehall Skill, I'm only here to keep you up to date and posting and let you know what's going on, alright? yeah, so here's where I'm going to leave it. So I say, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, alright, so here's where I'm going to leave it, alright? So big up and respect to each and every one, alright? So until next time, walk good.
Hey man, you know where I watch?
Dancehall Skilla.
Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.